Thank you.
Thank you so much. Wow,
Looks good. Looks healthy.
I can salivating already.
Coleslaw
I think it's their tofu kale salad.
How come you know what they're...
Because I always order from there.
Oh.
This looks very different from my mala.
I'm guessing 400.
Yeah, let's just go with that.
No. Give your info also. Give your info. 350? I wanted to say 535. I don't know. It's just like most bowls that I eat are around there. 500 calories, 500 plus. Could be less.
480.
Maybe 400 to 420.
I'm gonna guess around 500. Yeah, looks substantial.
Around 420 maybe?
419.
Oh my gosh. Hey coach.
You're closer than I am.
Hey, well done. Hey, okay. I need my glasses.
She's very old, so like.
Okay, I'm definitely way off.
See? So you already?
I'm closer.
And closer.